So you have two basic styles of openers. You have your traditional overhead where the motor sits above the door on a rail, they're chain or belt driven. They're great openers, there's nothing wrong with them. Nowadays we're getting options to go to side mounts. The new side mounts are the quietest thing on the market and they're very low maintenance. And I haven't been in one house yet that gets one and has anything negative to say. Everyone's so happy about their new opener. People are just beyond themselves. They didn't realize you could have the more headspace because it's no longer over the door. It's up in the corner, it's out of the way, you barely see it, and you don't even hear it hardly. North Idaho Garage Door.
Where local service meets excellence.